Hi, Chef Jason here, 1801 Grill, another Tuesday tip. Today we're talking about beans, and what I have are some white beans here. Now these are some white beans, these are navy beans also, but you can have red beans, you can have black beans. All beans, especially the dry kind, need to be soaked. And that's your Tuesday tip right now, is soaking your beans. Now what I have right here are these white navy beans, and then I have a little bit of water. We're gonna pour those right in there, just like so. Now, the tip is to make sure that you have enough water. These beans are gonna start to rehydrate, and they're gonna start to swell a little bit, and then they're gonna take up a lot of that water space. What I like to do is to soak my beans for at least 12 to 24 hours prior to using them. When you start to cook them, it's gonna help with the wrinkling up of the bean, it's gonna make it swell up real good, and they're gonna just cook a whole lot better. Make sure that you soak your beans. Now in Louisiana, where I'm from, we eat red beans and rice as a tradition every Monday. So make sure that you soak those beans so when you're serving these foods like red beans and rice, especially something like that has such a tradition in Louisiana, that you're doing it right. Now a lot of different cultures have a lot of different beans. You're talking about South America, Mexico, Spain, all these places use these large varieties of beans because you can dry them out. They stay in your pantry or cupboard a long time, and then you can bring them out and share them with your family. So the Tuesday tip today is make sure you soak your beans prior to cooking them. Now, once you start cooking them, go crazy. There's recipes all over, and if you go to chefjasonbruner.com, I'm gonna put up my famous red beans and rice recipe for you. So I'll see you next time with another Tuesday tip.